Hello,
Hello, Ramzan. How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Is this your first 5 minutes with Cambly?
No, actually, I have joined from last 1 month, but right now I have the end of this week, and
Five
no one,
minutes, no more
no,
time. That's
yes,
okay.
cannot able to connect with other people. So maybe there is a huge traffic on this.
That's fine. No worries. How's your Sunday? You having a nice Sunday?
Yes, I have the nice Sunday. Actually, I am working in the whole night, so I will have the weekend tomorrow.
Ah, okay. Do you work nights? Do you work
Yes,
nighttime?
yes.
What do you do?
Actually, coding.
Recording?
Coding, programming.
Coding. Sorry. Okay. Ah, you're another coder. You're like the fifth person I've talked to today who's a coder. Wow, so many coders. Oh, that's cool.
And what's your profession?
Well, at the moment, mostly teaching
Okay.
because really there are not very many jobs at the moment. So
Uh-huh.
teaching is something I actually very much enjoy. I love English and I like teaching because I studied English in university actually. And what
Uh-huh.
did you study? Did you study computers,
Yes, engineering.
software, coding, all of that? Nice.
Yes.
But that's great because there are many job opportunities in this type of work, no?
Yes, actually, I quit my job when COVID-19 started and started my own work as a freelancer.
Ah, oh,
There
so
are,
that's
yes, there are a lot of people who are saying that because of COVID-19 we lose the job. I told to them that I quit that job and started my own business, and successfully I am running that one. So
brilliant. That's
yes,
very good. That's so good. Yeah. Well done. Because many people's lives have gone the other direction with COVID, of course, especially people who own hotels, who manage hotels, bars,
Mhm.
restaurants. It's very sad. I live in Malaga at the moment and I look at it's oh, it makes me so sad. I just hope the government are giving these people money
Okay.
because they have no customers. They have no customers. Especially during November, December, January, February, very quiet.
Yes, because of COVID, everyone is living in their homes, and definitely when someone is not outside in the market, then those businessmen who are over there, so definitely they would stop.
Yeah, but I'm optimistic about the future for COVID. I think it's got to get better, no? With all the
Yes.
vaccines and I don't know, I just it's been 1 year now and I can't imagine if someone had told me last January that this was going to happen, a pandemic, no travel, you know, a curfew. Oh, I would be like think it's a joke or a dream, but no, it's been a very difficult year for many people. But for some people, it's been fine. You know,
Yes, yes.
some people don't like to go out very much.
Yes. Obviously, when I started my own work, so at that moment I got the time because of COVID-19. Otherwise, you can say you can think about that if we are working in a company on salary basis like an employee. So at that time we don't have enough time to think about our own selves. And because of COVID, they gave us for 1 week for setting up the systems in our home to do the work from home. So I got the time to do the things with my other clients who were there in the other countries. So because of which I was comfortable with working with them, and I quit the job and started this thing. So definitely this has also created some opportunities for people who were already there in online work.
Yes, it's not all negative. It's
Yes,
yeah, you've had a good 12 months. That congratulations.
yes,
That's so good.
yes.
And
And
people you could
early, sorry, go ahead.
I was also going to say it's a good opportunity for people to learn English or another language.
Yes. I am also practicing because of this.
Excellent. Maybe see you again. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye.
See you. Bye.